The Nintendo DS has been one of the easiest handheld consoles to emulate on Android, thanks to emulators like the likes of Drastic. The Nintendo 3DS is a whole different beast to the Nintendo DS, which is why we've not really seen a 3DS emulator on Android yet. With the advent of Citra on PC, it was possible to play 3DS games on your computer, if it was powerful enough, that is. We'll soon be able to play 3DS games on Android next. This is Adam Conway with XDATV, checking out an unofficial port of Citra for Android. Nintendo's consoles and handhelds are typically known for their unique but practical features, which the Nintendo 3DS admittedly fell somewhat short of when it originally launched back in 2011. Its 3D feature was deemed by many to be impractical, though thankfully the point of such a handheld was to play games, not marvel at glasses-less 3D. The Nintendo 3DS also made a marked improvement on security, as Nintendo's consoles prior generally fell victim to modders and pirates. Not only was cracking the 3DS harder than previous gaming devices from the company, but this meant that emulation was a far cry away from being reality. Over time, its barriers were broken down and we had our first real emulator on PC. I'll be honest, nothing will beat playing on the real thing. Pokemon X is a fantastic game on the 3DS, and Animal Crossing New Leaf is one of my favourite casual games ever. The 3DS is a great form factor, but it's yet another device to carry. Playing on your smartphone is the next best thing, and can even be more convenient. That's why Citra for Android, an unofficial port of Citra on PC, is a wonderful thing. Sure, it's not great, and struggles with anything even mildly intensive, even on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, but it's a great start. It's possible that further down the line, it can be optimised and improved, though Pokemon X still actually runs reasonably well. It's fully playable at around 30 FPS, though there's no music due to the audio file format used by the game. Animal Crossing meanwhile runs terribly, with massive slowdowns in the outside world, though inside of buildings is perfectly fine. Your mileage may vary on this one, and sadly, chipsets like Kirin and Exynos will likely perform even worse than Qualcomm's chips do. Still, it's a great first port, and maybe in the future 3DS games can play at a performance level akin to Drastic. We'll be keeping a close eye on this emulator, as it has a lot of potential to be fantastic on higher end devices. Citra can only play decrypted 3DS ROMs, which you can get by decrypting your games using a hacked Nintendo 3DS. If you want to download it and give it a try and get more information, you can check out the XDA portal link in the description below. This has been Adam Conway with XDA TV. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.